EAS alarms, universal. So you see what we got here, guys. I'll tell you each country is when it comes on. So let's start with EAS alarms around the world, shall we? United States.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Hancock County, northeastern Marion County, southeastern Hamilton County until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Monday, through the heavy
Canada.
rain and wind, Pemberton Search and Rescue deployed a
Canada.
This is a test of the Ontario Alert Ready system. There is no danger to your health or safety. If this was an actual emergency, you would now hear instructions for protecting yourself. Compatible mobile devices are now able to receive emergency alerts. For more information about emergency alerts, please visit www.alertready.com.
having killed one person confirmed what many had feared and concerned.
Japan.
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
緊急地震速報です。福島県、宮城県、山形県、茨城県、栃木県では強い揺れに警戒してください。テレビの画面は福島県いわき市の現在の様子です。カメラが左右に揺れています。NHK の各放送局からの情報によりますと、先ほど午前6時ごろ、東北地方で揺れを感じました。
Australia.
25% from July 2021, 5 years earlier than planned. A tornado warning has just been issued by the Bureau of Meteorology for people living in Maryborough, Hervey Bay and Tyro. The region is also under a severe storm warning for destructive winds and hail. Let's go straight to meteorologist Tony Auden. And Tony, what's the latest?
France. Germany. Italy. Spain. Taiwan. Poland. South Korea.
국민 여러분, 여기는 국민안전처 민방위경보 통교소입니다. 실제 공습경보를 발령합니다. 현재 시각 우리나라 전역에 실제 공습경보를 발령합니다.
Iran. The Philippines.
Nakaporma na lahat dito sa command center o command post ng MMDRRMC. At ito, nagka-countdown na sila bago magsimula ang Metro-wide Shake 3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito po si MMDA Chairman Francis Tolentino. Ang inyong maririnig na ingay ay hudyat ng pagsisimula ng Metro-wide Shake Drill.
Ito po si FIVOX Director Renato Suldum. Sa drill scenario pong ito, gumalaw na po ang West Valley Fault. Ito po ay isang ehersisyo lamang.
Ang kooperasyon ng bawat isa ay mahalaga.